sleek, and the use of colors is really simple, but this is like a gray top, and then this is kind of it's an off-white on the cabinets, and then of course the mirror, lighted mirror around. Here we go. Here's your shower, and shower and tub, and then there's that beautiful. Oh, I just love it. It's just it's almost directly square, but it's with rounded edges, and just so easy to push that button to activate the water flow. Just absolutely love it. It's awesome. So, and then this leads back out here. So great feel in here. I'm gonna go just to the front, just so you can see this one more time and see what it looks like. But just a delightful feel in here. Absolutely love it, and just really pretty. So great feel, great view too. Okay, let's do our last video, and we're just going to talk a little bit about the area, and that's it. So look forward to talking with you in just a few minutes.